Hey besties, welcome to my first YouTube channel. This is going to be a new baking series on my channel where I try different recipes and things like that. Let my family rate them 1 through 10. I will be looking at my phone because I like to see what I'm doing while I'm still looking at it, while reading the directions. So yeah, come on with me on this journey and let's get into the video. Y'all wonder what today's first episode is. It's going to be scones. Scones are a baked good celebratory biscuit that is popular in the UK, Ireland, and Commonwealth countries. The American versions are often sweeter and rectangular. Get it out. But anyways, today's episode is going to be scones. This is my first time making it, so y'all be nice in the comments and let's get into these ingredients and making these scones. Alright besties, so you're going to need cold butter, cold heavy whipping cream, you're going to need flour, vanilla, the oven going off as you can see, baking powder, you're going to need sugar, and then you're going to need salt. So first we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together, then we're going to add in the wet ingredients and then mix it up. It's going to get sticky, but trust the process. Okay, besties, now you're going to dust your counter with some flour so it won't stick. We're going to take our dough and we're just going to press it out until we get like a nice little circle. It's supposed to make 8 scones when you cut it, so let's make sure that we get a nice circle. Let's see. And make sure that you preheat your oven to 350. Well, actually before you even start, so the oven already be hot, because I already have mine preheated to 350. So let's make sure you do that. Let's see. Give me some more flour. Just a sprinkle on top. Let's see. Make sure I'm satisfied with my circle. Okay, besties. I think I'm satisfied, so now we're going to cut it. And don't talk about my cutting because it's not all there. See, look at that. We're gonna do that. Oops.
Backdoor, loss of supervision.
Alright, make sure you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 scones. Now let's put it on the pan. Okay, now we're going to put our scones onto our baking pan. You can use parchment paper, but I don't have any, so I just sprayed it with some baking joy. It worked. It'll work probably the same, hopefully. So let's get. Hold on, I need 2 hands. So that's how it should be, rectangular shape. As best as you can get it. It don't have to be perfect. Okay. Right now we got some space. And I will clean the counter as soon as I'm done placing these on here. Alright, let's make some room for the last two. Ooh, pen won't stop moving. Alrighty, let's make one for the last one. Alrighty, here are your scones. Make sure you put it on for 350. The video I watched that the creator did, she did 25 minutes, so I'm gonna put them in the oven for 25 minutes and we'll be back. Hey bestie, so this is how the scones came out. As you can see, I got some bad cutting going on, but they came out the way they're supposed to. I just gotta work on the cutting. But now I'm finna make the glaze. For the glaze, you'll need 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and some heavy whipping cream, and just add it to your desire, how much you want to add, how thick you want it, how loose you want it. But let's make the glaze. I got me some powdered sugar in a bowl, and I'm gonna just add the heavy cream until I get the desired icing consistency. Oh my god, that I want. So let's get to mixing. Excuse me, y'all. It's a little too thick for me because I want to drizzle it on top of the scones. Maybe I need a little more powdered sugar. I got it too loose. Let's see. Alright, besties. There we go. Okay, now we got the icing how I want it. Let's get our scones and we're just gonna drizzle on top. Now, I ain't the perfect drizzler now, so as long as they get covered. Oh Lord, I'm dropping my icing, y'all. Oh, I'm still dropping it. Alright, almost done. Girl, I could make a mess. That's what I could tell you. Making a whole mess. Alrighty. There we go. Our scones. Now I'm gonna get my taste testers. They'll go rated 1 through 10. Tell me how they like it and what I could do better. So let's go get our taste testers.
Mr. Ready and Mr. Bunny's over there. So I'm gonna rate this cookie and see how it tastes.
It's a scone, girl.
Well, a scone, it really tastes like a cinnamon roll. After that was cinnamon roll, I give it 10 out of 10.
Okay.
My name is Malaya, and I'm about to be trying this stone. I rated it a 10 out of 10.
My name is Elwin. I'm Jamma's brother. I'm going to taste what is it, scone? I give it about an 8 out of 10. It was hard.
Thank you, besties, for tuning into my first baking series on my YouTube channel. There's many more episodes to come. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave comments. Make sure to tell me if you like the scones. Would you try the recipe? And I'll see you guys on the next episode. See you later, besties.
Take me through that, take me through that.